This is what happened in 1960 war. Against aliens and dragons. This scepter has been with us for a long time, and I am sure they will come to take it back. We have to use it to protect us.
I have located the scepter on planet Earth. We have to go now.
We need him now. Let's activate him.
Come here. Boss, they have someone to protect them. Come here and give me my scepter. I will unleash hell on this planet.
Welcome to the training. This is Agent Sophia. I will guide you through the game for completing the missions successfully. Let's start the training. Swipe the screen to move camera. Use this button to open weapons inventory and select weapon. Press to shoot bullets. Press to perform water attack. Press this button. Press to perform your lava attack. Use this button to perform a lightning attack. Use this button to perform ground smash. Press to perform a counter attack. Press to perform run smash attack. Press to perform Press this button to perform hammer attack.
Press this button to perform a traction attack.
Press this button to fire rain attack. Press this button to perform blue blaze attack. Use this button to transform into drivable states. Take aim and shoot on this button.
Press this button to change music. Press to transform. Press to transform into eagle. Press to transform into tiger.
Press to shoot birds.
Press to transform into dragon. Press to move dragon. Press to move upward. Press to move downward. Swipe left to turn dragon left side. Swipe right to turn dragon right side. Press to transform into snake. Press to perform snake. Press to perform poison attack. Press to perform sprint.
Click to open full screen map. Press this button to go back. You have completed your training.
Use ATM to collect cash.
Use energy charger to recharge energy and ammo. Use food stands to recharge health. Scan and transform into different cars. Ring of Man. Fight with wrestler and earn coins.
Enemies are heavily armed. You need a good weapon to fight with them.
Thanks for letting me know. What are you carrying in the box?
It contains some cash that you can use to buy a good weapon.
Thanks.
Congratulations! Let's go to shop. Press to open shop. Press to select weapon category. Press to select weapon. Press to buy weapon. Item unlocked successfully.
A tick mark on the bottom of the weapon indicates it is purchased.
Press to go back to gameplay. Complete all the missions and save the city. Get ready for the next mission.
Hurry up, it's time to bring the destroyer to the ship.
Ooh, this will be fun.
Nice shot.
Congratulations. Mission accomplished successfully.